In this tutorial you will learn how to fix Windows Update error. One of the update services is not running properly in Windows 11.
First open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop wowserve and then press Enter. Type netstop crypt svc and then press Enter. Type netstop bits and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/software distribution.old and then press Enter. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2catroot2.old and then press Enter. Type netstart wowserve and then press Enter. Type netstart crypt svc and then press Enter. Type netstart bits and then press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Windows Update. Press Run the troubleshooter. Wait for the program to detect your Windows Update issues. Close the troubleshooter and restart. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Go to Create Windows 11 Installation Media and press Download Now. Save the file. Double-click the file you just downloaded. Press Yes. Press Accept. Select your language and edition. Press Next. Select ISO file. Press Next. Save it as Windows 11. Wait for the file to be downloaded. Press Finish. Double-click the Windows 11 ISO file. Click on Setup. Press Yes. Press Next. Press Accept. Select Keep Personal Files. If you want to do a clean install, click on Change What to Keep. Press Next. Wait for the update to be installed.